How is sperm produced? One of the processes central to the development of human life is the production of sperm, the male gamete. This seemingly simple act of nature is, in reality, a complex symphony of biology. Our exploration begins with a deep dive into the male reproductive system, a network of organs working in perfect harmony to produce, nurture, and transport sperm. Imagine this system as a well-coordinated factory, each department specializing in a specific task, all contributing to the final product, healthy, motile sperm capable of fertilization. Before we delve further into the intricacies of sperm production, it's essential to grasp some fundamental concepts. Sperm, the male gametes, are specialized cells designed for a single purpose: to fertilize an egg and initiate the development of a new life. These microscopic marvels are incredibly efficient, each one carrying half of the genetic material required to create a new human being. Understanding the structure of a sperm cell is key to understanding its function. A sperm cell consists of three main parts: the head, the midpiece, and the tail. For many of us, our initial understanding of reproduction came from simplified explanations, often leaving us with more questions than answers. We may have heard about the birds and the bees, but the intricacies of human reproduction remain shrouded in mystery. This lack of comprehensive knowledge can lead to misconceptions, anxieties, and even unintended consequences. That's why it's crucial to approach this topic with a scientific lens, replacing myths and half-truths with accurate information. Understanding sperm production is about more than just biology. It's about taking control of our reproductive health, making informed decisions, and dispelling harmful stigmas. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's power over our own bodies and our reproductive well-being. This exploration aims to empower individuals with the knowledge they need to understand their bodies, make informed decisions about their reproductive health, and engage in open and honest conversations about sex and reproduction. Imagine the male reproductive system as an intricate network of organs, each with a specific role to play in the grand scheme of sperm production and delivery. This system, responsible for the perpetuation of the human species, is a testament to the power and complexity of biological processes. Our journey begins outside the body with the scrotum, a sac-like structure that houses the testes, the primary organs of male reproduction. The scrotum's external position is no accident. It provides a cooler environment than the body's core temperature, essential for optimal sperm production. Moving inward, we encounter the testes, two oval-shaped glands responsible for both sperm production and testosterone secretion. Let's zoom in on the testes, the primary production sites of sperm cells, often referred to as the sperm factories. These oval-shaped glands housed within the scrotum are marvels of biological engineering, constantly producing millions of sperm cells every day. The testes' external location within the scrotum is crucial for maintaining a temperature slightly lower than body temperature, a prerequisite for optimal sperm production. Think of the scrotum as a climate-controlled environment, ensuring the delicate process of spermatogenesis proceeds flawlessly. Within each testis, a complex network of seminiferous tubules forms the production line of sperm cells. These tightly coiled structures, if laid end to end, would stretch for an impressive distance, highlighting the sheer scale of sperm production within the male body. Imagine the seminiferous tubules as microscopic factories, their walls bustling with activity, the production lines humming with the creation of life. It's within these tightly coiled structures, nestled deep within the testes, that the remarkable journey of sperm production unfolds. The process, known as spermatogenesis, begins with spermatogonia, immature germ cells residing near the outer edge of the seminiferous tubules. These spermatogonia, the precursors to sperm cells, undergo a series of carefully orchestrated divisions and transformations, guided by complex genetic instructions. As spermatogonia divide and mature, they progress towards the center of the seminiferous tubule, gradually transforming into primary spermatocytes, then secondary spermatocytes, and finally into spermatids. Throughout this intricate developmental process, Sertoli cells, the nurturing caretakers of the seminiferous tubules, provide essential support, nourishment, and protection to the developing sperm cells. Section 4. Sertoli cells, the unsung heroes of sperm development. While sperm cells often steal the spotlight in discussions about male reproduction, their development relies heavily on the unsung heroes of the seminiferous tubules, Sertoli cells. These cells are the backbone of the sperm development process, providing an environment where sperm can grow and mature properly. These remarkable cells, named after the Italian physiologist Enrico Sertoli, who first described them, play a pivotal role in nurturing and supporting developing sperm cells throughout their intricate journey. Enrico Sertoli's discovery in the 19th century opened up new avenues in understanding male fertility and the complex processes involved in sperm maturation. Imagine Sertoli cells as dedicated guardians, their long interconnected processes forming a protective barrier around the developing sperm cells, shielding them from harmful substances and immune system attacks. This barrier is crucial because it creates a specialized microenvironment that is essential for the proper development of sperm cells. Sertoli cells don't just provide physical protection, they also act as tireless providers, secreting a nutrient-rich fluid that nourishes the developing sperm cells, ensuring they have the energy and building blocks needed for growth and maturation. This fluid contains essential proteins, hormones, and other molecules that are vital for the different stages of sperm development. Think of Sertoli cells as masterful chefs, preparing a specialized menu tailored to the specific needs of sperm cells at each stage of their development. Just as a chef carefully selects ingredients and follows precise recipes to create a perfect dish, Sertoli cells meticulously regulate the composition of the fluid they secrete to support the unique requirements of sperm cells as they progress from immature spermatogonia to fully mature spermatozoa. The role of Sertoli cells extends beyond just providing nutrients and protection. They also facilitate the removal of waste products from the developing sperm cells, ensuring a clean and healthy environment. This is akin to a chef not only preparing a meal, but also maintaining a clean kitchen to ensure the highest standards of hygiene and quality. Furthermore, Sertoli cells are involved in intricate signaling pathways that regulate the process of spermatogenesis. They communicate with other cells in the testes, including Leydig cells, to coordinate the production of hormones like testosterone, which are crucial for the development and maturation of sperm cells. In essence, Sertoli cells are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes, ensuring that every step of sperm development is meticulously managed. Their multifaceted roles highlight the complexity and precision of the reproductive system, and their contributions are indispensable for male fertility. So the next time we marvel at the intricate process of sperm development, let's not forget to acknowledge the vital role played by Sertoli cells. These unsung heroes are the true architects of male fertility, working tirelessly to ensure the continuation of life. Section 5. From spermatogonia to spermatozoa, the stages of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis, the intricate process of sperm production, can be likened to a carefully choreographed dance, each stage marked by specific cellular transformations and guided by a complex interplay of hormones and signaling molecules. This process is essential for male fertility and involves a series of well-orchestrated steps that ensure the production of healthy and functional sperm cells. The journey begins with spermatogonia, unspecialized stem cells residing near the outer edge of the seminiferous tubules, the sperm production factories within the testes. These tubules are coiled structures that provide a nurturing environment for the development of sperm cells. These spermatogonia, the precursors to sperm cells, possess the remarkable ability to divide throughout a man's life, ensuring a continuous supply of cells for sperm production. This ongoing division is crucial for maintaining male fertility over the years. The first stage of spermatogenesis involves the division of spermatogonia through mitosis, a process that generates two identical daughter cells. Mitosis is a fundamental process of cell division that ensures genetic consistency and cellular renewal. One of these daughter cells remains a spermatogonium, ensuring a continuous pool of stem cells, while the other embarks on the path to becoming a mature sperm cell. This differentiation is a critical step in the journey of spermatogenesis. This committed cell, now called a primary spermatocyte, undergoes meiosis, a specialized type of cell division that halves the number of chromosomes, ensuring that each sperm cell carries half the genetic material needed to create a new individual. Meiosis is a two-step division process that results in 4 unique daughter cells, each with half the original chromosome number. During the first meiotic division, the primary spermatocyte divides to form 2 secondary spermatocytes, each containing half the number of chromosomes. This reduction is vital for maintaining the correct chromosome number in offspring. The secondary spermatocytes then undergo a second meiotic division, resulting in 4 spermatids. These spermatids are immature sperm cells that will undergo further transformation to become fully functional spermatozoa. The final stage of spermatogenesis is called spermiogenesis, where spermatids undergo a series of morphological changes. They develop a tail for motility, a midpiece packed with mitochondria for energy, and a head that contains the genetic material. The mature spermatozoa are then released into the lumen of the seminiferous tubules, ready to embark on their journey through the male reproductive tract. This entire process, from spermatogonia to spermatozoa, takes approximately 64 days. Understanding the stages of spermatogenesis is crucial for advancing reproductive health and addressing male infertility issues. Researchers continue to study this complex process to develop new treatments and improve fertility outcomes. The intricate dance of spermatogenesis highlights the marvel of human biology and the delicate balance required for the creation of life. Each stage, from the division of spermatogonia to the formation of mature spermatozoa, is a testament to the precision and complexity of cellular processes. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of spermatogenesis, we gain a greater appreciation for the intricate mechanisms that sustain human reproduction and the ongoing quest to understand and enhance fertility. Section 6. The epididymis, a journey of maturation and storage. After their formation within the seminiferous tubules, sperm cells embark on a crucial journey through the epididymis, a tightly coiled tube situated atop each testis. This journey is not just a simple passage, but a transformative process that is essential for the development of fully functional sperm. Imagine the epididymis as a finishing school for sperm cells, a place where they undergo final maturation and acquire the skills and stamina needed for their challenging journey ahead. Here they are groomed and prepared for the ultimate goal of fertilizing an egg. The epididymis, with its intricate structure and specialized environment, plays a vital role in sperm maturation, storage, and transport. Its long, coiled structure provides a vast surface area for the sperm to interact with the surrounding environment, which is crucial for their development. As sperm cells enter the epididymis from the testis, they are still immature, lacking the ability to swim or fertilize an egg. They are essentially incomplete, and their journey through the epididymis is what will make them whole. During their transit through the epididymis, which can take several days to weeks, sperm cells undergo a series of biochemical and physiological changes that transform them into fully functional gametes. These changes include the development of motility, the ability to swim purposefully, and the acquisition of the capacity to fertilize an egg. The epididymis provides an ideal environment for sperm maturation, with its slightly acidic pH and specific ion concentrations, promoting the acquisition of motility, the ability to swim purposefully. The environment within the epididymis is carefully regulated to ensure that the sperm cells develop the necessary characteristics for successful fertilization. The journey through the epididymis is not just about physical changes, it is also about the sperm cells learning to navigate and survive in the female reproductive tract. The epididymis teaches them how to respond to various signals and conditions they will encounter once they leave the male body. The epididymal fluid, which bathes the sperm cells, is rich in nutrients and signaling molecules that are essential for their maturation. This fluid provides the sperm with the energy they need to develop motility and the ability to recognize and bind to an egg. As the sperm cells mature, they undergo significant structural changes. The acrosome, a cap-like structure that covers the head of the sperm, develops and becomes capable of releasing enzymes that help the sperm penetrate the egg. The tail, or flagellum, also develops, giving the sperm the ability to swim with purpose and direction. By the time the sperm cells reach the end of the epididymis, they are fully mature and capable of independent movement. They have acquired the motility and stamina needed to make the long journey through the female reproductive tract and reach the egg. The journey of maturation and storage in the epididymis is a critical phase in the life of sperm cells. It is here that they are transformed from immature, non-motile cells into fully functional gametes, ready to embark on the next stage of their journey, fertilization. Section 7. The vas deferens, a conduit for life. The vas deferens, also known as the ductus deferens, plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system, acting as a conduit for sperm cells, propelling them from their storage site in the epididymis towards their ultimate destination. Imagine the vas deferens as a muscular highway specifically designed to transport these precious cellular messengers of life. This long muscular tube extends from the epididymis, ascends into the lower abdomen, loops over the bladder, and descends towards the prostate gland, where it joins the ejaculatory duct. The walls of the vas deferens are composed of smooth muscle capable of powerful contractions that propel sperm cells forward during ejaculation. These muscular contractions, triggered by nerve signals from the brain, create peristaltic waves, rhythmic contractions that squeeze sperm cells along the length of the vas deferens. Section 8. Accessory glands, adding the finishing touches. While the testes are responsible for producing sperm cells, the journey from production to ejaculation involves contributions from several accessory glands that add essential components to the seminal fluid, creating the final product, semen. These accessory glands, including the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral glands, work in concert to provide nourishment, protection, and transport for sperm cells, ensuring their survival and successful journey towards fertilization. The seminal vesicles, paired glands situated behind the bladder, contribute the bulk of the seminal fluid volume, producing a viscous, fructose-rich fluid that provides energy to sperm cells, fueling their arduous journey towards the egg. This seminal fluid also contains prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that stimulate contractions in the female reproductive tract, aiding in sperm transport towards the fallopian tubes where fertilization occurs. Section 1. The hormonal orchestra, a symphony of signals. Imagine the endocrine system as an intricate orchestra, each hormone playing a unique melody, their harmonious interplay essential for the proper functioning of the human body. In this symphony of signals, hormones act as chemical messengers, traveling through the bloodstream to regulate a wide range of physiological processes, from growth and development to metabolism and reproduction. Sperm production, a complex process requiring precise coordination and timing, relies heavily on the intricate interplay of several key hormones, each playing a crucial role in orchestrating this vital aspect of male reproductive health. At the heart of this hormonal orchestra lies the hypothalamus-pituitary axis, a complex feedback system that links the brain and the testes, ensuring a finely tuned balance of hormone production and regulation. Section 2, the conductor, the hypothalamus-pituitary axis. The hypothalamus-pituitary axis, often referred to as the master control center of the endocrine system, plays a pivotal role in regulating sperm production, acting as the conductor of the hormonal orchestra that governs this complex process. This intricate feedback system, linking the brain and the testes, ensures a finely tuned balance of hormone production and regulation, essential for maintaining optimal sperm health and male fertility. The hypothalamus, a small region located at the base of the brain, initiates the hormonal cascade by releasing gonadotropin-releasing hormone, or GnRH, a peptide hormone that acts as the first domino in the chain of events leading to sperm production. GnRH, released in pulsatile bursts, travels a short distance to the anterior pituitary gland, a pea-sized structure situated just below the hypothalamus. Section 3. Testosterone, the maestro of male development. Testosterone, often dubbed the male hormone, reigns supreme as the maestro of male development and reproductive function. Produced primarily by the Leydig cells residing between the seminiferous tubules within the testes, testosterone orchestrates a symphony of changes throughout a man's life, from the development of male secondary sexual characteristics during puberty to the maintenance of libido, muscle mass, and bone density in adulthood. Testosterone's role in sperm production is paramount, acting as the primary driver of spermatogenesis, the intricate process of sperm cell development. Section 4. FSH and LH, the supporting cast. While testosterone may take center stage in the hormonal regulation of sperm production, follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH, and luteinizing hormone, or LH, released from the anterior pituitary gland under the command of gonadotropin-releasing hormone, or GnRH, play crucial supporting roles in this intricate process. These two hormones, working in concert with testosterone, ensure the smooth and efficient production of healthy motile sperm, essential for male fertility. FSH, as its name suggests, plays a crucial role in stimulating Sertoli cells, the nurturing caretakers of developing sperm cells within the seminiferous tubules. FSH binds to specific receptors on Sertoli cells, prompting them to produce a range of proteins and growth factors essential for sperm cell development, maturation, and survival. Section 5. Maintaining the balance, hormonal harmony, and sperm health. The intricate process of sperm production relies on a delicate hormonal balance, a symphony of signals orchestrated by the hypothalamus-pituitary-testicular axis. Disruptions to this delicate balance, often caused by medical conditions, lifestyle factors, or environmental exposures, can have significant impacts on sperm health, potentially leading to infertility or impaired reproductive function. Maintaining optimal hormonal balance is crucial for ensuring the production of healthy, motile sperm. Factors that can disrupt this delicate balance include Section 1. Leaving the testes, the first steps. Imagine, if you will, the journey of a single sperm cell, a microscopic voyager embarking on an epic quest for life. Newly formed within the seminiferous tubules, nestled deep within the testes, this tiny vessel of genetic potential begins its journey in a fluid current carried along a labyrinthine network of delicate tubules. This initial leg of the journey, though seemingly passive, marks a crucial transition for the sperm cell, propelling it from the sheltered environment of its birth towards the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. As the sperm cell drifts along this intricate network, it is surrounded by a nourishing and protective fluid, a testament to the meticulous care the male reproductive system takes in ensuring the survival of these precious cellular messengers. Section 2. Maturation in the epididymis, a time for refinement. The epididymis, a tightly coiled tube situated atop each testis, serves as a sperm maturation and storage facility, a crucial stopover on the sperm cell's journey toward fertilization. Imagine the epididymis as a boot camp for sperm cells, a place where they undergo rigorous training and refinement, acquiring the skills and stamina necessary for their arduous mission. As the sperm cell enters the epididymis, it is still immature, lacking the ability to swim purposefully or fertilize an egg. The epididymis provides the ideal environment for the sperm cell to complete its development, transforming it from a novice recruit into a seasoned pro. The epididymis's long, convoluted structure provides ample time for sperm maturation, a process that can take several days to weeks. Section 3. Through the vas deferens, a swift passage. The vas deferens, also known as the ductus deferens, acts as a conduit for sperm cells, propelling them from their storage site in the epididymis towards their ultimate destination. Imagine the vas deferens as a high-speed rail line, specifically designed for the rapid and efficient transport of these precious cellular messengers. This long muscular tube extends from the epididymis, ascends into the lower abdomen, loops over the bladder, and descends towards the prostate gland, where it joins the ejaculatory duct. The walls of the vas deferens are composed of smooth muscle, capable of powerful contractions that propel sperm cells forward during ejaculation. These muscular contractions, triggered by nerve signals from the brain, create peristaltic waves, rhythmic contractions that squeeze sperm cells along the length of the vas deferens. Section 4. Encountering the accessory glands, preparing for the journey. As the sperm cells journey through the vas deferens, they encounter contributions from several accessory glands that add essential components to the seminal fluid, creating the final product, semen. These accessory glands, including the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral glands, work in concert to provide nourishment, protection, and transport for sperm cells, ensuring their survival and successful journey towards fertilization. Imagine these accessory glands as bustling pit stops along the sperm cell's high-speed rail line, each contributing vital resources to keep the sperm cells fueled and protected on their journey. The seminal vesicles, paired glands situated behind the bladder, contribute the bulk of the seminal fluid volume, producing a viscous, fructose-rich fluid that provides energy to sperm cells, fueling their arduous journey towards the egg. Section 5. The final push, ejaculation and the race to fertilization. Ejaculation, the culmination of sexual arousal, marks the final push in the sperm cell's extraordinary journey. During ejaculation, the floodgates open and millions of sperm cells, now suspended in a nutrient-rich and protective seminal fluid, are propelled from the male reproductive tract through the urethra and out of the penis with remarkable force. Imagine this moment as a synchronized launch. Millions of tiny rockets blasting off on a mission of paramount importance, the continuation of life. As the sperm cells enter the vagina, they face a new set of challenges. Ejaculation, often perceived as a singular event, is actually a two-part process, a carefully orchestrated symphony of muscular contractions and fluid secretions. These two distinct stages, emission and expulsion, work in perfect harmony to propel semen, the life-carrying fluid, from its storage sites within the male reproductive tract through the urethra and out of the penis. Understanding these two stages is key to appreciating the complexity and precision of the ejaculatory process. Emission, the first stage of ejaculation, is characterized by the movement of sperm cells and fluids from the testes, epididymides, and accessory glands into the prostatic urethra, the portion of the urethra that runs through the prostate gland. Emission, the first stage of ejaculation, is a silent but crucial process, setting the stage for the dramatic expulsion of semen. During this stage, a complex interplay of nerve signals and muscular contractions orchestrates the movement of sperm cells and fluids from their storage sites within the male reproductive system into the prostatic urethra, the launching pad for ejaculation. This process is akin to a carefully choreographed ballet, each movement timed and coordinated to ensure the successful delivery of its precious cargo. The process begins with the closure of the internal urethral sphincter, a ring of muscle located at the base of the bladder, preventing urine from mixing with semen and ensuring that the ejaculatory pathway remains clear. The intricate process of ejaculation, involving the precise coordination of multiple organs and muscles, relies heavily on the nervous system, the body's internal communication network. Nerves, acting like electrical wires, transmit signals from the brain to the muscles and glands involved in ejaculation, ensuring that each component performs its role at the right time and in the correct sequence. This complex interplay of nerve signals ensures the smooth and efficient expulsion of semen from the male reproductive tract. The process begins with sexual stimulation, which triggers nerve signals to travel from the brain to the spinal cord and then down to the pelvic region. Section 4. Expulsion, the climax of excitation. Expulsion, the second and final stage of ejaculation, is a moment of intense physical sensation, the culmination of sexual excitement. Triggered by a surge of nerve signals from the brain and spinal cord, expulsion involves powerful rhythmic contractions of the pelvic floor muscles, propelling semen, the life-carrying fluid, from the prostatic urethra through the penile urethra and out of the penis. This forceful expulsion is often accompanied by a feeling of intense pleasure, a physical manifestation of the body's natural reward system. As the nerve signals reach the pelvic floor muscles, they trigger a series of rapid contractions, squeezing the urethra and propelling semen outward in a series of spurts. Section 5. The prostate's contribution, smooth operator. The prostate gland, a walnut-sized gland encircling the urethra just below the bladder, plays a crucial role in ejaculation, contributing a significant portion of the seminal fluid volume and ensuring the smooth passage of semen through the urethra. This often overlooked gland, despite its small size, plays a vital role in male reproductive health, acting as both a fluid factory and a traffic controller during ejaculation. During emission, the first stage of ejaculation, the prostate gland contracts, squeezing its milky, alkaline fluid into the prostatic urethra, where it mixes with sperm cells and fluids from the seminal vesicles. Section 6. Seminal vesicles, fueling the journey. The seminal vesicles, two pouch-like glands located behind the bladder, play a crucial role in ejaculation, contributing the bulk of the seminal fluid volume and providing essential nutrients and energy to sperm cells for their arduous journey towards the egg. Imagine these glands as dedicated pit stops along a high-speed racetrack, providing fuel and refreshments to keep the racers going strong. During emission, the first stage of ejaculation, the seminal vesicles contract, releasing their viscous, fructose-rich fluid into the ejaculatory ducts, where it mixes with sperm cells traveling from the vas deferens. Section 7. Bulbourethral glands, the pre-game prep. The bulbourethral glands, two pea-sized glands located beneath the prostate gland, may be small in size, but they play a crucial role in the lead-up to ejaculation, acting as pre-game prep for the main event. These glands secrete a clear, slippery fluid, often referred to as pre-ejaculatory fluid or Cowper's fluid, which serves several important functions, preparing the urethra for the passage of semen and enhancing the sexual experience. During sexual arousal, but before ejaculation, the bulbourethral glands release their fluid into the urethra. Section 8. Understanding retrograde ejaculation, a change in direction. While ejaculation typically results in the forceful expulsion of semen through the urethra and out of the penis, in some instances, semen may flow backward into the bladder, a phenomenon known as retrograde ejaculation. This change in direction, though usually harmless, can be a source of concern for men who are trying to conceive. Understanding the mechanisms behind retrograde ejaculation can help to alleviate anxieties and inform potential treatment options. Retrograde ejaculation occurs when the bladder neck muscle, responsible for closing off the bladder during ejaculation, fails to contract properly. Section 1. The delicate balance, internal factors. Sperm production, a complex and finely tuned process, relies on a delicate interplay of internal factors within the male body. Hormonal balance, genetic makeup, and overall health all play crucial roles in determining sperm count, motility, and morphology, the key parameters of sperm health. Imagine this intricate system as a well-oiled machine, each component working in harmony to ensure the production of healthy, motile sperm essential for male fertility. Hormones, the body's chemical messengers, play a pivotal role in regulating sperm production. Section 2. External aggressors, environmental and lifestyle impacts. While internal factors like hormones and genetics lay the groundwork for sperm production, external factors, particularly environmental exposures and lifestyle choices, can significantly impact sperm health, either positively or negatively. Imagine these external factors as powerful forces, shaping the landscape of sperm production, capable of both nurturing and harming this delicate process. Environmental exposures, often unavoidable in our modern world, can pose significant threats to sperm health. Section 3. Common culprits, identifying and addressing issues. While sperm production is a remarkably resilient process, several common culprits can disrupt its delicate balance, potentially leading to impaired sperm health and fertility challenges. Identifying these culprits and understanding their impact is crucial for addressing issues and seeking appropriate interventions. Smoking, often considered a social vice, wreaks havoc on sperm health. Section 4. Lifestyle interventions, empowering your sperm. The good news is that many factors influencing sperm health are within our control. Simple lifestyle interventions can significantly impact sperm production and overall reproductive well-being, offering men a proactive approach to boosting their fertility. Diet plays a crucial role in sperm health. Section 5. Seeking expert advice. When to consult a doctor. While lifestyle interventions can significantly impact sperm health, seeking expert advice from a healthcare professional is crucial, especially when facing persistent fertility challenges or suspecting underlying medical conditions. A healthcare provider can offer personalized guidance, diagnosis, and treatment options tailored to individual needs. Consulting a doctor is particularly important if Section 1. The Grand Symphony of Sperm Production. As we conclude our exploration into the fascinating world of sperm production and ejaculation, let's take a moment to appreciate the grand symphony of biological processes that orchestrate this vital aspect of human life. From the intricate network of organs within the male reproductive system, to the delicate dance of hormones and the remarkable journey of individual sperm cells, the production and delivery of sperm stand as a testament to the complexity and elegance of the human body. We began our journey deep within the testes, the sperm production factories, where millions of sperm cells are generated every day through a carefully choreographed process called spermatogenesis. Section 2. Empowering yourself. Knowledge is key. Understanding the intricacies of sperm production and ejaculation is about more than just satisfying curiosity. It's about empowering ourselves with knowledge that can positively impact our reproductive health and well-being. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's power over our bodies, our fertility, and our ability to make informed decisions about our reproductive lives. By understanding the factors that influence sperm health, both internal and external, we can make conscious choices that support optimal sperm production and enhance our chances of reproductive success. Section 3. The journey continues. Lifelong sperm health. The journey of sperm production is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process that unfolds throughout a man's life. While sperm production typically peaks in early adulthood, it continues, albeit at a slower pace, well into old age. This means that maintaining sperm health is not just a concern for young men, it's a lifelong endeavor. Just as our bodies change over time, so too does our sperm production. Section 4. Seeking support, you are not alone. Facing challenges with sperm health or fertility can be emotionally taxing, leading to feelings of frustration, anxiety, and even shame. It's important to remember that you are not alone in this journey. Millions of men worldwide experience fertility challenges, and there is no shame in seeking support. Open communication with your partner, family, and friends can provide invaluable emotional support during challenging times. Section 5. A final word, embracing the miracle. As we conclude our exploration, let's take a moment to marvel at the miracle of life made possible by the intricate and awe-inspiring process of sperm production and ejaculation. From the microscopic dance of sperm cells to the powerful forces of ejaculation, the continuation of the human species hinges on this remarkable biological symphony. Understanding the science behind these processes deepens our appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the human body. It empowers us to make informed choices that support our reproductive health and well-being, and it reminds us that the creation of life, a testament to the power and resilience of nature, is a journey worthy of our awe and respect. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment, and